my name's Cala and I'm in Form 7, and today I want to welcome everybody to my episode of Bear's Kitchen, where I'm going to be making something that is very typical of my Argentinian culture, which is empanadas. I hope you guys like it. So the first thing you'll need is some sort of like flat dough. We just got ours at the supermarket because we didn't want to make our own, but you could do that too. Then you're going to need 4 eggs, 2 bell peppers, mixed spices, pork grease. We used actually 3 regular onions, 2 green onions, and then we used 2 packets of ground beef, but you can use 1 if your family is smaller than mine. And then olives, coarse salt, cumin, and oil, and also ground bell peppers, spicy and sweet, both of those. And then that's it. That's what your ingredients should look like. And then you're going to chop up your green onions, your peppers, and your regular onions. You're going to put some water and some oil in there, give it a toss, and let it sit in medium-high heat until it looks like that. And then you're going to put it all in one big pot, and then you're going to put your ground beef in there, and you're going to put your salt in there also, about a fistful of salt, as well as a fistful of ground sweet peppers, and a fistful of mixed spices, and then a tablespoon of pork grease, and then you're going to mix that all up again, and you're going to lower the fire to like medium heat and add some water and put a lid on it and leave it on there for about 15 minutes until it looks kind of like that. And then you're going to put in a fistful of cumin. And then you're going to take that off the fire and boil your 4 eggs, chop them up until they look like that, and you're going to throw that in there also. And then you're going to do the same with some olives. You are going to chop those up and then throw them in there as well, and mix that all up until it looks like that. And then you're going to unroll your dough, and you're going to throw it onto something, a clean counter that has some flour on it, and you're going to roll it out just a little bit, so like it's about 4 millimeters thick to about 1/2 centimeter thick. And we use this thingy, but you can just use one really large cookie cutter and make little circles. And then you're going to put about 1.5 spoons onto there, and you're going to put some water on the edges and seal the edges of your dough shut. They're going to stick together because of the water. And at that point, you're going to do something called repulgue de empanadas, which is exactly what you're seeing my mom do right now, which is just pinching and folding and pinching and folding until it looks kind of like a little snake on top of your empanada. That way it's sealed and it'll look like that. If you're vegetarian like I am, just put some basil and some cheese. And if you're not lazy like I was, you can also put some tomato in there. Do the same thing, put the water on the edges, and this one you're going to fold differently. So you're going to do those little pinches and then fold it into a little circle. And then you're going to beat a raw egg, and you're going to pencil that over your empanadas, and they're going to look like that. And you're going to put them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. And then when you take them out, they should look like this. And then that's the final result. Those are the cheese ones. They kind of opened because I didn't seal them very well. And then that's the meat one. And I really recommend that you put some lemon on that. It is great. I hope you guys like it. And if you do decide to make them, please feel free to text me or email me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. And then send me a picture of your end result because I want to see how they turned out. Thank you.